These paintings sort of started out in about 2012, 2013, and after that I went off and did a few more atmospheric paintings, and always bouncing back between very structured from my building experience of being a lifelong architect, designer, and builder of studios, houses, and all sorts of edifices. So these paintings kind of came back around, and I hadn't really finished the group that I'd started in 2013, so I circled back around, which is often done over and over, to kind of finish what I'd started. It took a little bit of time to get back in, and once I got going, I set up two ways of working. One that was very structured, very architectural, very faux, flat, flip-flop perspective that's sort of twisted and torqued with the light coming and going. So I just sort of worked with that, and other ones I just took a much more intuitive, flat collage approach where it was much more painterly and much more divided and sort of fractured. So the paintings go back and forth with this dialogue of being very sort of set and structured and have a sense of a grounding in a place, and other ones are just sort of set free and sort of spinning and flying and colliding with each other. And back again, in between all this, the sculptures sort of happened, and then the shadows from the sculptures sort of were reintroduced to the paintings. And so all this sort of swam around and, went back and forth for ultimately about 6 or 7 years, but this is sort of the culmination of all that exploration.